Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're putting on our material science goggles for something really specific, but I think pretty fascinating.
hmm
We're analyzing a very detailed user review of the Rhino Carbon Fiber shaft for a pool cue.
Right. And our mission here is really to look past the reviewer's excitement and distill the core performance claims.
So what does the material itself, the carbon fiber, actually do?
Exactly. We want to understand what characteristics are driving these reported improvements.
Mm.
And just a quick note, this is purely educational commentary on a consumer review, not an endorsement.
Okay, so let's jump right in. The first thing is that initial impact, the feel.
Yeah.
The reviewer felt an immediate, serious upgrade. It was lighter, better balanced than his old wood shaft, and he used words like smoother and cleaner.
And that word crispness for the energy transfer, that's a very specific feeling.
It is, but you have to wonder, when you spend a lot of money on new gear, is some of that just, a placebo effect?
What's up?
Or is there a real structural reason for that feeling?
I think there is. The confidence boost is tied to how he described the shaft. Stiff, yet responsive. Now, usually, stiffness can feel kind of dead.
Right, like unresponsive.
Exactly. But responsive suggests it's lively.
Mm-hmm.
That combination means it's rigid enough for a powerful, accurate hit, but it also dampens the bad vibrations.
So you get better feedback from the shot.
Yes, and that shifts the player's focus. They're relying less on, what did he say, timing and brute strength, and more on just making a consistent stroke.
Which brings us straight to the core performance gains. How did that better feel make him a better player?
Well, this is where it gets really interesting. He said his shots became more predictable and consistent.
It cut down on the unwanted wiggle or deviation.
And that's where we get to the physics of carbon fiber, specifically the idea of low deflection.
Okay, hang on. Let's break that down. For anyone listening, what is deflection or squirt in simple terms?
So imagine you hit the cue ball off-center on purpose to put some spin on it.
Right, what they call English.
With a traditional wood shaft, the shaft itself bends slightly at impact, and that pushes the cue ball sideways, just a tiny bit, off your aim line. That's squirt or deflection.
And the player has to learn to compensate for that sideways push.
They do. They have to aim slightly to the side to correct for it. A low deflection shaft, like this carbon fiber one, is designed to be so stiff that it minimizes that bend.
So the cue ball goes much closer to where you were actually aiming, even with spin.
Precisely. You spend less time doing mental math to correct for your own equipment's flaws.
And that's what he meant by opened up shots and angles that previously felt risky. The gear is basically removing a layer of human error.
It is. It becomes a more seamless extension of what you're trying to do.
Let's talk about the long-term benefits then. The review mentions durability. It stays straight, doesn't react to humidity or temperature changes. Why is carbon fiber so much better at this?
Well, wood is a natural material. It's hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air.
So it swells and contracts. That's why old cues warp.
That's why. Carbon fiber composites are engineered to be incredibly stable. They just don't react to those environmental shifts. They hold their shape.
And that consistency must be huge for developing muscle memory.
Vital. You know your tool is going to perform the exact same way every single time you pick it up.
The review also links all this to player endurance, that the lighter, balanced build made long games less tiring on the arms.
This is a really interesting point. It's about reducing that creeping fatigue that kills your precision.
How does it take pressure off the wrist and shoulder?
It's a simple physics problem, really. The less mass you have to control and stabilize at the end of a long lever, the cue, the less your smaller stabilizing muscles have to work.
So your hands can stay more relaxed.
Your hands, your wrists, your shoulder. He says the shaft does so much of the stabilizing work itself because of its rigidity. That's huge over a 3 or 4 hour match.
So if we boil it all down, what's our takeaway? This deep dive shows that for this reviewer, the carbon fiber shaft offered really clear, almost quantifiable improvements.
Yeah, in consistency, accuracy, and even endurance. It shifted his focus away from fighting his equipment and onto just playing the game.
It let him focus on strategy.
Which leads to a final thought for you to chew on. If a specialized material can so deeply change the feel and consistency of one single action, like hitting a pool ball, how much do the materials in our everyday tools, the ones we don't even think about, quietly influence how we perform all the other tasks in our lives?
Like the weight of your mouse or the material in the soles of your shoes.
Exactly. How much are they subtly helping you or holding you back without you ever noticing?